Angela, I'm a reading specialist. I have a master's degree in linguistics. I've been working with children with reading difficulties for a very long time. I just want you to feel what it's like for that child in the classroom every day. Okay, it's not my intention to embarrass or humiliate anybody, please, but you may feel embarrassed or humiliated.
At work? No, I can't. Vicky? Exactly the same. A mess.
3, 2, 1. Big ring donut. Okay. All right. When we learn to read, we start with what Sally Shaywitz calls the logographic stage. I like to show this mind map because it just gives an indication of why reading is such a complex, multifaceted skill.
While he was grooming Daxon,